So in the last video, I gave you the detailed information about how to manage your profile, notifications, how to change your password, how to check your data analytics, like in detail. In this video, we are going to talk about the connections. Connections means you can connect your Supabase, GitHub, Netlify, and Vercel account. So I'm going to remove all my accounts to give you the information how to connect them. So I have disconnected all my GitHub, Netlify, and Vercel. I'm going to refresh them. So you can see it's all disconnected. Go to your GitHub account. So let's say I'm on my GitHub account. You can click on this button also, get your token. Okay. So enter your password of GitHub. And to get the token, you need to create your GitHub account first. So to create the GitHub account, you just go to the GitHub and github.com and you can just sign up. Okay, you buy your email address. It's free. You can just use your any email address to sign up your account on GitHub. And from here, then you just click on this button, get your token, this button. You come here on this and you make sure you are choosing classic option here. Okay, classic, not fine grained. Just go for the classic and click on this button, generate new token, and click on generate new classic token. So when you just come here on the classic token, enter the name. Let's say I'm going to enter a name, hello world. You can enter any name for the token. Okay, and choose no expiration. Okay, from here you need to give permission to repo, to workflows, to admin, to user, and to project. Okay, so these four and five information you need to provide: repo, workflow, admin, user, and project. And you click on generate token. When you click on generate token, this token, let's say it came, just copy this token from here and come back, choose classic from this list, enter your token, and click on connect. When you just click on connect, your token has been connected. You can see on, if you click on the GitHub stats here, you can see the information is actually coming here. Okay, and your project is also coming here, all the projects. So this is how you connect your GitHub account. Okay, in the now let's talk about the Netlify. You click on get your token button, come to the Netlify. You can sign up your Netlify account using your GitHub or Gmail or any other account, any other email address. I'm going to click on, I'm logged in as a GitHub user. I'm going to click on get your token. And when you come here, you click on new access token, enter the name. So let's say hello world. You can choose any name, no expiration. Click on generate token, copy this token, come back, enter, paste your token here, and click on connect, and your token is connected. You see, you have the Netlify stats also, and all the projects which are there on the GitHub or on the Netlify. Okay, so now you can see your Netlify account is connected. Now let's go back to the Vercel. So click on get your token on the Vercel, and now you're on the Vercel account. Okay, you need to just log into the Vercel using your GitHub, and here you just add a token name, again hello world. I'm going to choose your project. Let's say uh, you have to choose your workspace. So workspace is actually part of the GitHub when you are just creating as a teams. Okay, I'm going to have workspace, the no expiration for sure. Click on create button, and your token will be created. Let me just remove it. I think GitHub is, sorry, Vercel is having some kind of trouble. I'm going to recreate it. World, hello world, no expiration. Click on create. Yeah. So token has been created. I'm going to copy it, come back, paste my token, and click on connect button. Okay, so my Vercel has been connected. As you can see here, it is showing me the list of all my projects. Okay, and that's how you connect your all your connections. And in the next video, I will show you how to connect Supabase database, and we will talk about what is the use of GitHub, what is the use of Netlify, what is the use of Vercel, and what is the use of Supabase in the next video. Thank you.